What is good, everybody? It's your boy Joe Jeezy Christ, aka Thriller. I'm here to give y'all the full reviews of the day. Today we are at Toast on Gretna. I've been to the East Bank location, but now I'm at the West Bank location just to kind of compare them and see how everything is over here. So let's go ahead and get into it. As y'all can see, we got the full spread. We got the catfish and grits breakfast. We got the chicken and waffles. We also have the fresh fruits and the French toast as well. Big thick cuts of bread. Didn't skimp out on the food. Big portions. As y'all can see, the French toast has a crusty layer, soft on the inside, has like a brown sugar coating on the top of it with the powdered sugar. Very, very fluffy. And we got the waffles as well. Crispy on the outside, very fluffy on the inside. That syrup on there just is hitting. Little man's not happy about it. He really wants his food. And there we go. He is satisfied now. Look at that. Look at that. Even the baby said, give me some. Give me some. What's up, man? But now on to the chicken. They got this, like, it's a Cajun butter that goes on there. But in my honest opinion, I honestly give it a 7 out of 10. Next, we went to Outpost 45. As y'all can see right here, Bae couldn't resist the mimosa flight. As y'all can see right here, she enjoyed it. It did come with 4 different flavors attached to it, as y'all can see right here. And on the menu, we went for the 45 grit cake, and I went for the New Orleans hot chicken, which was super good. We also had the fried fish as well, and you can see that dipping sauce on there. You can see I did include the spicy grits with mine. And one thing about New Orleans is we're gonna love out some grits. And here's the 45 grits plate, and we did top it off with the bread pudding and vanilla bean ice cream. 8 out of 10. And now we're back on the West Bank. So we stopped at Legacy Kitchen Steak and Chopped. To cap our night off, we got the 3-course meal. As y'all can see, we started off with the salads. Bae winded up getting the tonight's special, which would have been a 8-ounce steak. Tonight was Wednesday, as y'all can see. And we also got the banana rack sidecar. Bae loves her liquor. We also got our appetizers, our char grilled oysters. Yes, I did tear all these up. Excellent, excellent, excellent batch they brought out to us. Not one small one in the bunch. Super, super flavorful, savory. Lots of butter. Just fall out of the shell, as y'all can see right there. If y'all got weak stomachs, don't be looking at this. All right, I'm just being real with you. I can't resist my oysters. Very, very, very meaty oysters, if I do say so myself. And here's the coup de grace. I got the 20-ounce. She got the 8-ounce. We got the sides, the loaded mash, and also we got the mac and cheese. And Lil Man enjoyed his lemon to cap off our night. But Legacy gets a solid 9 out of 10.